Hello guys, so today we will learn something about Vesta software which is used to modify or build the crystal structures of different molecules or compounds. As you can see in the video shown here, there are some materials and their bondings and orientation, everything. So today I will show you how we can use this software for free, and you don't need to put a lot of efforts to make these structures using some special softwares like AutoCAD or 3ds Max. So let's jump into the video. The first step is you need the Vesta software. So for Vesta software, you can go to the Google and just write Vesta download. So once you write, the first website will appear here, which is from jpmineral.org, and when you will click this, it will lead to the main website. So there are a lot of information you can use or you can read, but here I will only focus how to download and use. So these are some softwares, Vesta software for Windows. Once you click, you will be able to download the exe, and then you can use the exe to open the Vesta directly. So once you download, you can open the exe. It will looks like this. So all we need is no CIF file. So for CIF file, so we have to go to another website. There are many websites which can be used to download the CIF files of different materials. For example, this website COD database, which is commonly used, and once you open this, then there are many options you can use, and from search menu you can put a lot of information or any information you need, and then you will be able to extract the CIF file. For example, I write very simple sodium, number of element, maxima, etc. So it will give me a lot of files and also source of the files from which paper. And here is the link. You will click this and it will download the CIF files. So once you download the CIF file of specific materials, you can go to the Vesta. For example, I have downloaded some files for materials. So you have to click on File and Open. For example, this is NVP material for the sodium-ion batteries. So once I click, it is like this. But you can't use this directly into the paper. So you have to modify its structures or colors or orientations, etc., so that you can use it without any copyright issues. So Vesta is pretty free, as I told you. It is run by the exe. So once you open the CIF file, there are many options like A, this is view axis, this is B view axis, C view axis, A star, B star, C star. And similarly, you can also rotate like this, or like this, or like this. And you can also rotate to specific angle. And you can also move this file up or down, left or right. Okay. So these are the basic things. So more important thing is about the style of the materials. So there are some tools which, like if you click on the animation, it will start making the videos rotating, and you can drag it like this, left click the mouse, and free rotations, okay, animation, and free rotation along x-axis, along y-axis, along z-axis. It's up to you if you want. This looks nice. Okay, this is free axis. This is for dragging. So this is the first option. The second option is styles, which is more important for us. So in the style, you can show the model. Let's uncheck this. So this is removed. So you have to keep the show model and use the only asymmetric units. Okay, let's ignore this one. Show data dot surface. You can also make this dot surface onto the different atoms. And this is the structure of the material. It is made up of ball and sticks. So these are the balls, which are atoms, and sticks are the bonds. So let's choose another one. Space filling. So it's filled by the bigger atoms. And this is the ball and stick. Space filling. Polyhedral. So this looks nice. A lot of people use this. But before using this, you have to change the colors and etc. I will show you later. Wireframe and sticks only. Many people also like this. It's up to you. So let's keep it this one or polyhedral. This is nice. And if you want to change their color, you have to click their properties. Okay. So in general property, there is a line, unit cell line. You can just uncheck do not show, single unit lines, etc. So you can remove the line if you don't like. And this is the color of the line or shape. And then we have to go to the atoms. So this is important. So let's see, this sodium is by yellow. As you can see, this is sodium here. So let's check this and make it black. I will just show you for demonstration. Now you can see it's black. Let me remove the polyhedrals so that you can easily see. So balls and sticks. Okay, then go to the properties and atoms. For example, sodium, change to the black. Why it's not working? Atoms, do not show atoms, and this is color of the sodium. Okay, let's check the oxygen. So it's red. Let's change to black. Now you can see the color is changed. So sodium, check to the blue one. Now you can see it's changed. You have to check this first. And P, you can change its color to maybe green. Okay, so this is the way how you can change the colors, etc. Once you change, you can like okay, and then close it. And you can also change the color of the bonds. So like unicolor cylindricals, only one color. This is bicolor. Bicolor shows the bond between like this red half and half from this atom. And color line, this is also looks good. And gradient line, so it's very thin, hard to see. Dotted lines or dash lines. So it's up to you, you can change. So this is the resolution. You can also change the color of the bonds. These are the information about the bonds, and you can play to make it more beautiful. This is about polyhedrals. So this is the color of polyhedrals if you are using. Here I am not using, so I cannot change. Let me try. Okay, go to polyhedrals. Now we will be able to see properties, polyhedrals, and it's shown for the sodium is yellow. Let's change to blue, just to here you can see. So in this way you can also change for the polyhedral. For the vanadium it's red. Let's change to green. Okay, so this is how you can change the color of polyhedrals. So iso surfaces or sections you can use. So once you are done, you can click OK. And there are some other options, like here you can check or uncheck about the materials. You can click this and drag it anywhere. And you can also use the distance, angle, measurement, etc. So once you are done, and another option I want to show you is object. the same utilities view. There was another option about the number of, okay, that explains, etc. There are many options, you can play around it. Once you are done, then you have to go to file and export, save as the Vesta project, or export as raster image. So it will give you option to download the PNG file, so you can download like this. So let's click this, and then you need to also set the scale, so you can and check the background and then click OK. So this is the way how we can use the Vesta software to visualize our molecular structures or materials. So thank you very much.